Welcome. In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, this one, and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called sounds and vibration, or sounds and haptics, my bad, and tap on it. And here look for the option called ringtone. Once you find it, tap on it. Right here we have the list of ringtones we can select, or choose from rather. So you can go through them by tapping on one and listening to them. It's quite quiet, so let me adjust the volume a bit. Okay, and now let's go through the ringtones. Okay, and once you find the one you like, tap on it, select it, and then go back. You can also change the ringtone for the text, mail, calendar alerts, reminder alerts, default alerts, and that's about all. So let's tap on text, select some ringtone, same for the new mail, same for the reminder alerts, and then default alerts. And once you're done, you can press the crown button, and that's how you change the ringtone on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.